In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a pre-made landing page for free, just like this, or this, or this, for CPA and affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how to upload these pre-made landing pages online for free. Then I'm going to show you how to content lock these landing pages so you can start earning CPA commissions from anywhere in the world. And I'm also going to show you how to maximize your revenue with ProPush.me to up to 30% just by sending traffic to that landing page. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download these free landing pages, upload them to your hosting provider for free, and I'm going to show you how to monetize these landing pages with content lockers. And I'm also going to show you how to maximize your revenue with ProPush.me just by sending traffic to that landing page. Now before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new, like this video to support this channel, and comment down below, I want access to all the landing pages, and I will send you a link where you can download them for free. So as you can see on screen, here are all the landing pages pre-made, done for you. So if you want access to these landing pages, comment down below, and when this video hits 200 comments, I'm gonna leave a link where you can download them for free. Now let's not waste any more time and let's get started with the video right now. Alright, so for this video I have chosen the Fortnite landing page. So when you just click on the folder, you open it, right, and you click on index.html, you can see that this is the landing page. Now, of course it works when you click on generate, right? You click on your player username, you want 500 V-Bucks, you click on start, you wait for this to load. Now once it's done loading, just click on the verify button right here, it should pop up. And now when they click on it and they want the V-Bucks, the content locker will appear, and that's where we're gonna make money. Now we have to upload this folder to a hosting company so they can host our website online. So this video is not sponsored by Hostinger, but this is the hosting company that I recommend. They're very cheap. You can see the pricing. It's only like $2 per month, so you can sign up with them. So I'm going to log in, I'm going to show you what to do next. It's very easy, and once you have a Hostinger plan, they're also going to give you a domain. So once you're inside here, you have a domain, just click on manage. Now you want to go down and click on subdomains, and you want to create a new subdomain, okay? So as you can see, these are my subdomains. I'm going to create a new one for you guys. So test YouTube for this video, test YouTube, and I'm going to click on create. Now what we're going to do is we're going to upload our Fortnite landing page onto this subdomain. So just scroll down and then you can see files down here and click on file manager. Now before we do that, we're going to paste our landing page into our window just to see if it's working, and yes it is. This is our pre-made landing page. So go back to Hostinger, click on file manager, files down here, and now you want to find the subdomain folder. Double click on public HTML, and here is your test YouTube, the subdomain that I have created just a minute ago. And inside this subdomain is a default PHP file, which is this website. Okay, so we want to change it and we want to upload our own files. So go to the Fortnite files and paste them inside here. Just drag and drop. Now we can delete this default PHP, delete it, go back to this website and refresh it. And as you can see, it is done and loaded. So it's very easy. And you can do this with all the landing pages that I'm going to give you once this video hits 200 comments. Now, the only problem with this is that we don't have a HTTPS website, which means it's not secure. And we're going to need it to be secure. So you can do this either with the domain you have bought, because they're going to give you a free SSL certificate. Now I have created a subdomain for this video because I use this domain actively, so I don't want to change anything, any of the files. So I have created a subdomain and I went from there. But for this video, for you guys, I have bought a SSL certificate for this video, for this domain, for this subdomain. So you can see I'm going to paste it, and when you have an SSL, you can see that the connection is secure. This is what we want and this is what we need. It's very, very easy to set up. Just click on SSL up here and follow the steps. Now that we have the website uploaded, now we want to add a content locker so that we can start monetizing the website and start making CPA commissions. So head over to ogads.com, sign up for a free account. You should be accepted within a day or two. It takes like 24 hours to get verified. So make sure to add all the information needed once signing up. And once you have a free account, click on Tools and Content Lockers, right? Now we want to create a free content locker. So click on the blue button right here. Now I'm just going to show you mine, all the settings. Okay, so edit. And here you can see that I've named this iPhone giveaway. But since this is a Fortnite offer, I'm going to name it Fortnite, right? So you want to leave the notes blank. Load method is onload. And unlock action is redirect. Okay, redirect to another URL. Now you can also preview it. Basic, advanced, desktop specific. So as you can see, when I opened it on desktop, it looks something like this, and mobile specific is something like this. So it looks pretty good, guys. It's very, very nice. So now just go back and save this content locker. So now you can click on actions and click on preview, and you can see this is how it looks on mobile. It's awesome and it looks very, very good. So now click on view details, and here is your link to the content locker. Just copy it, and we're gonna need to paste this inside the button. So now what you want to do is head over to Hostinger, okay? Go back to your public HTML, go to your subdomain. So for this instance, I'm using test YouTube. So now double click on index.html, click on cmd.f. So now what you want to do is search for our link. So scroll down, okay, and click r_link. You want to scroll up and just find it. There it is, our link. And you want to change it for our content locker URL. So go back to OG Ads, copy the link once again, just to make sure that's the right one, and copy it inside there, okay, where I just showed you our link. Now click on save. Now you can test it out if it's working. So just copy your subdomain inside Google, scroll down, add your player username, your V-Bucks, and click on start. Now click on verify, and as you can see, this is our domain and this is the content locker. Now based on your location, the amount of CPA offers are going to appear right here. So in the United States, United Kingdom, in countries like this, there's more CPA offers, more content lock offers than, for example, in Slovakia, where I'm from. So this is just to make sure that it's working. Now we're nowhere near finished just yet, guys. To maximize our earnings and to make even 30% more just by sending traffic to that landing page, we're going to be using ProPush.me. ProPush.me is a platform for monetizing traffic with push subscription for affiliates and webmasters. So I'm going to show you how to set this up in just a second, and I just want to say a few words about them and my experience with them. Now in a few words, ProPush is a network designed to assist affiliates with their own landing pages in monetizing traffic through push subscriptions. So all you have to do is install their smart tag to your landing page, and they're going to send push notifications to your traffic. Now ProPush gives you 3 options on how you can monetize the traffic, and that's with extra monetization, where you set up a ProPush tag on your landing page or CPA offer, and the tag that you set up works with another CPA offer. So you can get paid with extra monetization, where you set up a ProPush tag on your landing page of any offer that you run, and you get paid extra profits from push subscribers collected from your traffic. So this tag works together with another offer in any verticals. Now when you click on learn more, you can see this page, and they're going to give you an extra $140 or more for every 1,000 subscribers, which is an additional 35%, and they work with more than 190 GEO locations. Now you can watch their case study, it's down here with their VPN campaign. It's awesome, guys. I watched it just a few minutes ago. And they work with betting, sweepstakes, dating, iGaming, e-commerce. So they basically work with all the offers that we personally use. You can also check out the Pro Push calculator with extra monetization. So if you send mobile traffic to, let's just say, South Africa, and you send 500,000 visitors, you can make an additional $1,225, which is absolutely insane. This is going to save you a lot of money if you go with paid advertising. Now, the second option is Monetize website or landing page with push subscription. And this is the one I'm going to be using in this video. So you can get paid two ways. One time, CPS, they're going to pay you for each unique user who has subscribed to push notifications on your website or landing page, or through revenue share, which I recommend for the long term. And they're going to pay you for each push notification sent to your subscriber. All right. So this is awesome for long term, and you can maximize your earnings with revenue share. And you can also check out their calculator. So if, for example, if you send desktop traffic or mobile traffic to South Africa and you send 200,000 visitors, you can get an additional $500. And now here are your CPS rates per 1,000 subscribers from all around the world, from Android, macOS, and Windows. So you can check this out for yourself. I'm obviously going to leave a link below this video, so make sure to sign up and create a free account. This is going to maximize your earnings online. Now the third option is traffic back. Now this is a solution to monetize your exit traffic. It works for those users who don't want to subscribe or who closed the subscription window. Now for this video, for our CPA marketing offer that we have content locked, we're going to be using the revenue share option with the Monetize website or landing page with push subscriptions. So create a free account and let me show you how to set up your smart tag. Okay, so now when you have a Pro Push account, you can see something like this. And now the first step you're going to have to do is go to sites and obviously connect your domain. Now you can connect up to 3 domains. Now the reason these 2 domains got rejected is because I didn't have a HTTPS website, okay? So it wasn't secure, right? So you have to have your website secured. So I finally got my SSL certificate on my subdomain. Now it's HTTPS. So I connected it. It's very easy. So all you have to do is add source. You're going to have 2 options, but you can just choose landing page. And here you're going to enter your sub or domain. Okay, subdomain or domain. Now when you click on add URL, it's going to be under verification. Now it's going to take up to a few minutes, maybe even an hour. And if there's some problems with your URL, with your domain, with your website, it can take even longer. But anyway, once it's verified, you're gonna see something like this. All right, this is what happens when it's verified. Now what you have to do here is you're gonna have to download this file. Okay, so all you have to do is click on download. So now once again, click on public HTML, go to your subdomain or domain, and now you want to add the downloaded file inside this subdomain. All right, so now once it's here, once it's inside, you can click on check and you should see something like this. Now there's one more thing that we have to do in order to start promoting our website, and that is to add this tag into our index HTML. So now here we have 2 options: to set up post back to track subscriptions and to set up traffic back to get extra monetization. Now I like to keep it simple and just use this script alone, and this is going to allow push notifications on my landing page, and whenever someone subscribes to those push notifications, then ProPush.me is going to send push notifications to those subscribers, and I'm going to make revenue from those push notifications. Okay, so all you have to do is click on copy. I'm going to show you just in a second how it looks. So click on copy, go back to your folder, click on index.html, scroll down, and you want to copy it at the bottom of the page, so under script. All right, so I'm going to click on enter, paste, and there it is, guys. So this is our tag. Now you want to click on save, and we are good to go. And now if you have followed all the steps, you can check if it's working, guys. So paste it in a new tab, hit enter, and you can see that sub.damianblack.com wants to show notifications. Now, when you see something like this, when you refresh the page, that means that you are good to go and then you can start promoting your landing page. So this is the push notification, and when someone clicks on allow, that means they are subscribed, and then Pro Push is going to send push notifications to those users and you're going to make revenue. Okay, so you can go back to the calculator to see how much you can make, but basically on average you're going to make anywhere from 20 to 30% extra for all the traffic that you generate to your landing page. Now for the statistics, you can go to this section and here you can see the pre-requests, the duplicate, the subscribed, how many subscribers you have, impressions, unsubscribed. Here's your profit and conversion rate. Now obviously this is a brand new account that I've just created to show you guys how to set everything up. Now when you click on rates down here, you can see how much you get paid for 1,000. This is CPS rates. So if you go with cost per subscription, when somebody lands on this page and they click on this allow button, that means you're going to get paid let's just say 14 cents if it's Android from New Zealand. So for 1,000 subscriptions, you're going to make $140. So this is a great way to make extra money online. As you can see, there's literally over 190 GEO locations. So it doesn't matter where your traffic is coming from, if it's from MacBook, if it's from Android, if it's from desktop, if it's from New Zealand, United States, it doesn't matter. You're going to make money either way. Now you can also choose your payment method: Payoneer, PayPal, Skrill, Wire, WireUSD, WebMoney. There's a bunch of options. So I would just create a PayPal account, enter my email address, and good to go. All right. So it's very easy, guys. Very easy to set up. And if you're still watching, make sure to comment below. And when this video hits 200 comments, I'm going to give away all of those pre-made landing pages for you guys. So you can upload them for yourself, monetize them with content lockers, and also add your Pro Push tag, your smart tag, so you can earn money just by sending traffic to your landing pages. So now that we have our landing page up on Google, people can search it. It has a SSL certificate, which means that it's secure. We have installed the content locker, and also we have added the smart tag from Pro Push. We can start promoting this page with push notification ads, with social media traffic. Now guys, if you've made it to the end of the video, now it's time for you to take action and for you to start promoting this website. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love free traffic. Free traffic is what I do every single day. And without a doubt, you can easily get 500,000 monthly visits to this landing page just by combining TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, for example, without a doubt. So it's up to you right now how you promote this website. You can use paid traffic. I have videos on my channel with paid traffic. You can use propeller ads as well. They have top-notch push notification traffic. Now guys, if you want me to make a part 2 where I'm gonna use propeller ads, push notification traffic to promote this landing page, then please leave a comment down below this video so I know if you're interested or not. So go ahead guys, click the first link below this video, sign up to propush.me and create a free account. Now when this video hits 200 comments in a couple of days, I'm gonna reveal the download link to all of those pre-made landing pages so you can upload them online for yourself and start monetizing them with content lockers and with the propush.me tag. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a comment down below what you think about this method. Once again, if you want part 2, also leave a comment down below. And if you've enjoyed this video, leave a like below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.